also you are going to learn. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. In short form, what is mean by solution means solute plus solvent. We can say that solution. In a solution, the component present in lesser amount by weight, we can say that solute. Lesser amount by weight is called as solute. The component present in larger amount by weight is called as solvent. Larger amount by weight is called as solvent. For example, salt plus water, it gives salt solution. Salt is the solute, water is the solvent. The next topic, types of solution. Based on the particle size of the substance, the solutions are divided into three types. What are the three types? True solution, colloidal solution and suspension. The mixture of sugar and water. Sugar dissolved in a water, we get a clear solution and the particles never settle down. This mixture is called as true solution. And next example for starch and water, we get a cloudy mixture. This mixture is called as colloidal solution. And next, wheat flour mixed with water, we get a turbid mixture and fine particles slowly settle down at the bottom after some time. This mixture is called as suspension, children. A colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture. It consists of the dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Dispersed phase or dispersion medium can be a solid or liquid or gas. There are 8 different combinations we are going to learn, children. The combination of gas in gas is not possible because gas in gas always forms a true solution. Now one by one we are going to learn. The first one, solid-solid. Type of colloid, solid-salt. Examples for solid-salt. Some colored glasses and gemstones. And next, solid-liquid salt, paints, silk fluids. Solid gas, aerosol, smoke, dust is the example. Liquid-solid, gel. Examples, cheese, butter, jellies. Liquid emulsion. Type of colloid, emulsion. Examples for emulsion, milk, hair cream. Liquid gas, aerosol, fog, mist, cloud, insecticide sprays. Gas, solid, solid salt, pumice stone, foam rubber. And next, gas, liquid, foam. Type of colloid, foam. Examples from wiped cream, soap, leather. Next topic you are going to learn Brownian movement and Tyndall effect. When colloidal solutions are viewed under powerful microscope, it can be seen that colloidal particles are moving constantly and rapidly in zigzag direction, children. The Brownian movement of particles is due to the unbalanced bombardment of the particles by the molecules of dispersion medium. And next, Tyndall effect. Tyndall observed that when a strong beam of light is focused on a colloidal solution, the path of the beam becomes visible. This phenomenon is known as Tyndall effect, and the illuminated path is called as Tyndall cone. This phenomenon is not observed in case of true solution. And next topic, emulsions, children. A special kind of colloids. An emulsion is a colloid of two or more immiscible liquids. Where one liquid is dispersed in another liquid. This means one type of liquid particles get scattered in another liquid. In other words, an emulsion is a special type of mixture made by combining two liquids. that normally don't mix. The word emulsions come from Latin word meaning to milk. Milk is one example of an emulsion of fat and water. The process of turning a liquid mixture into an emulsion, we can say that emulsification. For example, milk, butter, cream, egg yolk, paint, cough syrups, facial creams, pesticides, etc. are some common examples of emulsion. Types of emulsions. The two liquids mixed can form different types of emulsion, children. For example, oil in water, water in oil emulsion. Oil in water emulsion example, cream, where the oil droplets are disposed in water, or they can form a water in oil emulsion. Example, butter with water disposed in oil. Emulsion find wide applications in food processing, pharmaceuticals, metallurgy and many other important industries, children.